This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by April Blankinship. This adorable vintage home has been restored to modern class and convenience while still maintaining its southern charm. This house was fully upgraded in 2022 to include a fenced yard, a new roof, new paint, appliances, light fixtures, blinds, plumbing and electrical. It even has a large storage shed in the backyard with electricity run to it. Make an appointment today to step onto the gorgeous new front porch and tour this beautiful house that could be your new home. For more information, review the details below or contact April Blankinship at 865-966-1111.